What it do, YouTube? It's your boy. Justin, and I'm back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Back on that consistent-ish, back on the grind. Play around, I'ma slime them out, I'ma put them in the casket, clothes. Play around, I got shirts on, clothes. Niggas know I smell you right through my nose. I'm here with my boy KD. KD in the cut, no cap. And if you see what he rocking, you know how he stocking. Keep on playing, the dough gonna be knocking. Got the merch. Today in this video, man, we gonna be hopping on the yee Bubba type ish, and we gonna get rated from some females 1 through 10. Now, if you want to check out part 1, that's gonna be on my boy KD channel. You gotta see it. You gotta see it, bro. You just gotta watch it. Just keeping it real. So shit, we gonna hop on this hoe. Alright, bet.
You know everybody seen gotta have that face, bro. It's okay.
Boom. Yeah, let's go. Let's get it, guys. Looking alright. What up with y'all?
I'm good at this. I should just be a bitch to everyone.
Hey, add time real quick. Alright, look, I got a question for y'all. Y'all know what I'm finna ask you?
What's the question?
Alright, I just need y'all to...
For ratings.
Yeah, I just need y'all to rate me and my guy right here on a scale of 1 to 10.
Why?
Why
Okay.
not?
So for you stalking, I'll give you like a 7.5.
Alright.
And then for the other guy, you're actually like a 10 out of 10.
Alright, damn, my guy, you bossed
Appreciate
up.
that. Appreciate that.
Of course.
What about you?
I'll just go with the same ratings as her.
Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, look.
I'm sorry, I'm looking for music right now.
Oh, no, that's fine. Yeah,
Hey, that's cool. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I was
find
doing.
your music.
Yeah.
Find your tunes. If I must, if I could help you out, I could probably, maybe recommend one.
Yeah.
What would you recommend?
This dick, sweetheart.
Nice work, man. Nice work. Nice work.
Hey, no problem. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I work hard on that.
A 7, bro. The light. What up with y'all?
How are you?
I'm doing fantastic. How about y'all? Hey, look, add time. I gotta ask y'all a question real quick. Alright, look. On a scale of 1 to 10, I need y'all to rate me and my guy, King Dark Skin, right here.
You gonna do the same day?
Huh?
Are you gonna rate us too?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. I'll go first. Let me see. So that's the one on the left, so like the one that has the hand like this.
Alright.
But I'll give you like an 8, like a 7, 8-ish.
Alright.
Okay. And then the one on the other side, I'll give you like a 9, 8 and 9. So like
Alright.
you're kind of equal.
Okay.
Okay, so the one that was just talking, you're like a 9. And the
Alright.
one over there, the one with the hair shit, you're a 9. So,
You say he's a 9?
our turn. Come on, rate us.
I can barely see you at the in the dark. But
Yeah, because I'm not really supposed to be up, but do I care? No.
oh,
Okay.
well look, I'm gonna give both of y'all a 10. That's just the type of time I'm on.
Exactly. Same.
You.
How they felt that you was like,
No problem.
What y'all thought y'all was gonna get?
I thought I was gonna get like a 5 because like
You count.
yeah.
A 5?
I thought I was gonna get like a 3.
You count.
What the hell?
You count.
Yeah.
You just talk.
To be honest, we've never gotten over a 4. To be real, this is our first high rating.
Never got over 4.
Yep. But look, you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? This dick.
Oh, you got me. I didn't know you was gonna say that. I didn't know you was gonna say that shit on that one.
How y'all doing?
Hey, did you know you can't say "oh" with your mouth closed?
Bet I can.
Try it.
Oh.
Your
Yeah.
mouth open.
His mouth did not open.
Oh.
Try it again.
Oh.
You have to say it with your mouth closed.
Oh.
No, your lips have to stay together.
Mm. I just said it.
They trying to make us moan, bro.
That's
That
all
shit
it is.
weird.
Hey, listen though. Listen. I need y'all to rate me and my guy right here on a scale of 1 to 10.
Alright, Dwayne, the dark skin, he an 8.
Alright.
Yeah. You like a 7.
A good 7.
7.5.
Bruh.
Y'all don't like light skin, do you?
No.
It's all good.
She do, but
No, I don't.
It ain't no way.
That nigga said it ain't no way.
Y'all be-
You can't.
y'all be having a little attitude.
So the stereotype of light skins has me at a 7.
Yeah.
I respect it.
He look good though.
Yeah.
Who, me? But ain't nobody ever told me that before.
How y'all doing?
Chilling.
Oh.
Wait a minute at a time.
Oh yeah, it's already on there. Look. So I'm finna ask a question. I can almost already see the answer. But I just need y'all to rate me and my guy right here on a scale of 1 to 10.
Can you scoot a little bit, like this over here?
My bad.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
It's not my
For real,
bad.
like, let me get your numbers.
Oh shit, well look. Hold
Let's
on.
quarantine and then y'all
Oh
got
shit, hold on, shit. We can goddamn, we can do that shit. Yeah, my barbershop didn't open back up and all that. We good.
Yeah, lo pedimos.
Where y'all from?
Florida.
Oh shit, that ain't even that far and that shit, that's perfect.
You trying to pull up?
Yeah. Well, one day when I come to Florida, I'm gonna think about y'all, alright?
No, actually think about me because I'll pull up wherever you are.
Hey, but real talk. Can y'all rate us on a scale of 1 through 10?
We just did. We said 7.
Oh, 10.
Oh,
both of us, both of us are
Boy, I'll give you something to smile for me. Smile right quick. Like, smile.
10. Who?
Both of y'all. Like, smile.
What you mean? That's so weird, bro.
That shit.
Oh, shit. Y'all get an 11 just for that.
Oh,
Let it
yeah,
all
alright,
bet.
Y'all smile mad cute.
Yeah, I respect that.
Real talk.
I respect it too. I respect how
Hey, you know who else respected?
cool.
This dick.
God damn.
They don't be too thirsty, but that shit weird, bro. I don't like that shit.
Oh.
Oh, you should have got the digits. Matter of fact, they added you though.
How you doing?
Hi.
Add time real quick. I gotta ask you a question. So you see me and my boy right here, King Darskin, right?
Mm-hmm.
I need you to rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay, y'all are both the 10,
Okay.
but it's negative.
Ooh.
That's a.
Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh. Okay. Yes, sir.
I like that.
Hey, cause on God, I like how she set it up though. She tore her ass up.
Hey, what up?
Listen, I think we should break up.
What's up?
I think we should break up.
It's
Why?
all good, man. Look, add time, cause I just want to get this off my chest anyway. You was never there for me anyway from the jump.
Talk your shit.
You wasn't though.
Cheated on me.
Cheated on you with who?
Cheated on her.
Bro, I
My
caught you.
nigga ain't cheat.
First of all, I caught you anyway with Devin. Who the fuck is Devin?
Listen,
Nicole,
that was
Devin. Why didn't you tell me about Devin?
What? See, exactly. You ain't even know. And that shit is ridiculous because I was there for you.
I have sources. Listen, I have friends that have seen you with other girls. And
Who?
I literally have pictures.
Who? Name one.
Kiara.
Shit, I don't care. We released your news anyway. Fuck you mean?
Yeah, we dropped him.
Last time I checked, I don't send nudes, so
Oh shit.
that sucks.
Better check my camera roll.
That's not
his
what-
camera roll.
That's not what my
Okay, prove it. Prove it.
That's not what my Snapchat my what you call that?
You know
my
who-
eyes only.
You know
I
who?
thought you were a bully child. I thought you were waiting till marriage.
Who?
What is going on here, Nicole?
You see, you don't even know your own friends. Cause I was gonna hit her with this did.
I was gonna say, you know who got your news for real?
Ooh. Damn. What up?
Woo! Hit the time.
Alright, I got you. Ain't no thing. Hey, look.
Oh, yes.
Listen. I need y'all.
Damn.
Look, I need y'all to rate me and my guy King Darkskin here on a scale of 1 to 10.
We got to do this. Okay. Okay, I told the dude on the right now. Why I can't.
I can't see them. It's just green.
Look,
It's green. Oh my gosh, girl.
I mean, your phone flicking up.
Ow.
Damn.
Did it
damn.
work yet?
Hey, look. Well, shit. Hold on. You ain't gotta miss out on nothing.
I
Real
get
talk.
Jasmine on FaceTime. I get snap at Jazzy Allah.
Hey, look. No worries. I'll add you on. I'll get you on there. But look, I need whoever can see us to rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
Right. Oh, be on my scale.
Woo.
And then the left. Wait, just.
Oh shit. They ain't even add time.
They did though.
Go and you got.
Ooh. Hold up. I just want to see what the fuck. Hey, what up, real gangsters?
Hey, where do we
Slime them out, my guys.
where do we get the American pussy at?
Hey, bro, it's all over. I got a whole phone full of it.
What is up?
Huh?
What is up, amiga?
Hey, look, I got a question for y'all
Hold up.
real quick.
Yes.
Yes.
Well, first of all, where y'all from?
I'm from Russia. I come from Russia.
Russia. What shit?
I am Latvian. I'm
Moscow. Right outside Moscow. About 50 mile north.
My auntie live out there.
Yeah, he has a relative out there
in Latvia or Russia?
in Lafayette.
You said what?
Latvia, okay.
Well, he's from Latvia. He is
What'd you
from
say?
I am from Latvia.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
okay. Where y'all? Well, so y'all looking for the American hoes?
We are looking for the American pussy, yes.
Well, shit. Hey, look, I know a few people that I can message right now.
Yes, you give us the big black American titties. Yes.
Oh yeah,
Yo, you know some.
Real shit. Hello. You add time real quick. I gotta ask you a question. All right. Look. Wait, listen. I got a question for all y'all.
What's up?
So,
Not the nigga.
no, real shit. I got a question. So, where y'all from?
Texas.
Texas. What part?
Corpus.
Corpus Christi?
Corpus Christi.
Oh, that's what's up. Shit, you know, I know somebody from there. I think, cause, yeah.
Hell yeah, shit. Corpus is the shit. Dallas.
You might know him.
Corpus.
You might know him.
What's your name?
This dick, sweet ass.
Appreciate y'all for watching this video. Check out my boy KD. He gonna have part 1 on his channel. You know.
Yes, sir.
And your boy Jug Master. Just
Hey, okay.
fuck around
And your
with
boy.
you. Hold up, let's go talk to him. Then.
KD. Hold on. Your boy KD. Fuck this shit, man. Never mind, bro.
Listen, check us out, bro. I'm bright as fuck right now. Check us out, bro. Make sure you fuck with the video. If you don't, I don't care. Don't fuck with it anyway. Don't watch this shit. Please dislike. Thank you. Bye.